Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this video I am going to give a quick recap of cell and its discovery and the cell theory. ये तीनों चीज़ों का quick recap मिलने वाला है. Do you know how sentences are made up of? Sentences are made up of words, and how words are made up of? The words are made up of letters. And all the things around us are made up of some small different units. And these units are called the basic units. Now the question arises, is our body also made up of basic units? Yes, it is made up of millions and trillions of the basic units. And now, what's this basic units? These are the cells. Basic units are the cells. So, our body though seems to be single body, but it is made up of millions and trillions of cells. Now the question arises, do you know how many cells a body needed and it is made up of? Do you know the answer? This is explained by, see, there are two types of organism. Unicellular organism, that is made up of single cell. This example is bacteria. And the next category is the multicellular organism, that is made up of millions of trillion cells. That is the example of the human beings. Now, the question arises, and the next question is, if there are so many cells in the body, are they exactly same? Of course not. So, there are different types of cell in our body. See, these are the three different types of cell, but they belong to the single body. See, this cell is the ovum cell, and this is the neuron, and this is the red blood cell. They differ only in structure, shape and size of the living organism. Next, moving on to the discovery of the cell. The cells were discovered by the scientist Robert Hooke in 1665. He was examining a thin slice of a cork, and he came to know that it consists of a tiny honeycomb-like structure. It gave the name as the cell. The cell can be the smallest cell and the largest cell. As you all can see here, that is the smallest cell is the cell of the mycoplasma, which the size is 0.3 nanometers. And the largest cell is the ostrich egg, which has the size of the 6 inches. So there can be smallest and the largest cell also. Next, moving on to the cell theory. As you all know that this cell theory is given by the two scientists, Schwann and the Sheldon. By this cell theory, we can know about the three principles of the cell. First one, all organisms are made up of cells. जितने भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं वो सेल से बने हुए हैं, क्योंकि सेल हमारा बेसिक फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ है. लाइक अगर एक सेल से बना हुआ है जिसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, यूनिसेलुलर एज एन अमीबा, और ह्यूमंस में मल्टी सेलुलर हो सकता है जो कि ट्रिलियंस ऑफ सेल से बना हुआ है. देन द सेकेंड इज ऑल लाइफ फंक्शन ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म हैपन विद इन दिस सेल. जितने भी हमारे बॉडी के फंक्शंस हैं वो किस में चलते हैं, सेल में. एंड द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट इज द ऑल सेल कम फ्रॉम द प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल. जितने भी जो सेल्स हैं वो प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल की तरह से आते हैं. तो ये था क्विक रिकैप आपका सेल और उसके डिस्कवरी एंड उसके सेल थेरीज का. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे प्लांट एंड एनिमल सेल के बारे में, एंड माइटोसिस और मियोसिस के बारे में भी जानते हैं. तो इसी तरीके के क्विक रिविजन वीडियोस के लिए स्टे ट्यून टू दी बायोबोट चैनल.